morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So, if you remember a while ago, because NWA got in the way of us completing this and going on with this, which is fine. I'm so glad that we rocked it, and I have some new information about all of you and where you're at, and that's very helpful. So, we are going to continue on with slope. If you are still struggling with finding slope from a graph, maybe this will help. If you are doing great with that, then this is just another strategy that you can use to help you later on. So as always, let's start with today's date. It is either going to be 11/10 if it is Tuesday, or 11/11 if it is Wednesday. So again, just depends on what date. And this is going to be our slope part dos. Slope part 2. All right. So again, your work on our async day was working on finding coordinate pairs from a graph. So we're going to use that today to help us. All right. So your favorite thing, be ready. I'm going to have you first draw a coordinate graph. I promise it's not that bad. Try to get 5. All right. We're going to put 2 points on it. All right. The first point is going to be 3, 2. The first point is going to be 3, 2. So find 1, 2, 3 on the x-axis. Find 1, 2 on the y-axis. Where the 2 meet is going to be the point 3, 2. The second point is going to be -1, -4. The second point is going to be -1, -4. So -1 is here. -4 is there. So this will be the point -1, -4. If we do the best that we can to combine those two to be a line, again, we could do the best we can to draw our slope, draw our triangle, and count. Here is the new strategy, though. All right. So this is going to be slope from 2 points. Slope from 2 points. And the formula is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So again, if we take our 2 points, we have the point 3, 2, and we have the point -1, -4. Because this is the first point I plotted, this is going to be x1 and y1, right? It's the first point I plotted, which is why it's the 1. And all coordinate pairs, as you know, are x, y. All right. The second one, because it's the second point, is going to be x2, y2. So now we are literally going to plug into this formula. All right. So again, I'm going to write it as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In place of y2, I'm going to put what y2 is, which is -4. In place of y1, I'm going to put what y1 is, which is 2. So I'm going to put -2. On the bottom, I'm going to put x2, which is -1, and x1, which is 3. So I'm going to put -3. From there, I'm going to get -4 minus 2, which is -6. -1 minus 3, which is -4. I can divide both of these things by 2 and get +3 over +2, because negative over negative is a positive. All right, we'll do a few more here in a moment.